So here we are in our membership hub dashboard. So this is how the inside of Serene looks like. And so when you click over projects, see all these months. So we have starting from June all the way till December and now in January. So these are the different months that we have up till now. And when you click on January, you can see here on the left, we have all these different modules. So each month we have these 4 modules, and under each module we have different projects, right? So let's click on January 2022, and this was our Tangle Talks, and we started the year by setting intentions, and then we started off with followed by Tangle Scroll. So each lesson is then broken down, each module is then broken down into smaller lessons. So we have the first one has all the images and downloads and templates, all of that is listed out here. And in the second, and then these are the parts of the lesson. So each lesson is then broken down into smaller parts, so it's easy to consume, and you can always go back to each part, and you can also work in parts, so you don't have to start and finish the whole project at the same time. So again, here this is our faculty. I want to just open up one of our lessons to show you how it looks. So this is how the video opens up. So when you click on a video, so this is the video, it's all here, hosted here, and you click on full screen, you get to see the whole thing in action, and you can leave your comments here. So this is a great way. Again, each of these modules are anyway, each of these lessons are anywhere between 15 minutes to an hour. So this one is 16 minutes. So once you complete, you can click on complete and keep moving on. I wanted to show you about our, so this Tangle Talks is actually a live Zoom meeting, which is recorded and then posted here. So we have people joining us from all over the world, and the recording is then posted here for people who cannot attend or due to the time difference. So that's me in action, sharing, and okay, so all of that. So that is our membership hub. You can start off anywhere. All these, when you sign up right now, you get access to all of these projects right here. So there are about more than 25 projects here. So you can click on any of that and get started right there. So there it is, all of Serene inside.